I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
You drink water.
You drink water.
He plays with toys.
He plays with toys.
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
We go to school.
We go to school.
They run fast.
They run fast.
I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
You open the door.
You open the door.
He writes his name.
He writes his name.
She draws a cat.
She draws a cat.
We watch TV.
We watch TV.
They sing a song.
They sing a song.
I like milk.
I like milk.
You close the window.
You close the window.
He wears a hat.
He wears a hat.
She cooks rice.
She cooks rice.
We clean the room.
We clean the room.
They jump high.
They jump high.
I walk home.
I walk home.
You wash your hands.
You wash your hands.
He brushes his teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
She combs her hair.
She combs her hair.
We pack our bags.
We pack our bags.
They eat lunch.
They eat lunch.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
You take a photo.
You take a photo.
He kicks the ball.
He kicks the ball.
She pets the dog.
She pets the dog.
We play outside.
We play outside.
They sleep early.
They sleep early.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
You turn on the light.
You turn on the light.
He feeds the cat.
He feeds the cat.
She makes tea.
She makes tea.
We read together.
We read together.
They climb stairs.
They climb stairs.
I hold a pencil.
I hold a pencil.
You wear socks.
You wear socks.
He helps his dad.
He helps his dad.
She hugs her mom.
She hugs her mom.
We sweep the floor.
We sweep the floor.
They open books.
They open books.
I close the door.
I close the door.
You tie your shoes.
You tie your shoes.
He eats a banana.
He eats a banana.
She folds clothes.
She folds clothes.
We write on paper.
We write on paper.
They color pictures.
They color pictures.
I draw a house.
I draw a house.
You say hello.
You say hello.
He brings a toy.
He brings a toy.
She drinks juice.
She drinks juice.
We ride the bus.
We ride the bus.
They look happy.
They look happy.
I pick flowers.
I pick flowers.
You jump rope.
You jump rope.
He opens the box.
He opens the box.
She buys bread.
She buys bread.
We sit on the bench.
We sit on the bench.
They play a game.
They play a game.
I wear a coat.
I wear a coat.
You eat with a spoon.
You eat with a spoon.
He drinks milk.
He drinks milk.
She watches birds.
She watches birds.
We listen to music.
We listen to music.
They make a cake.
They make a cake.
I zip my bag.
I zip my bag.
You open the gate.
You open the gate.
He cleans his shoes.
He cleans his shoes.
She cuts paper.
She cuts paper.
We wash our hands.
We wash our hands.
They go to bed.
They go to bed.